I'm off to the Joppa Preserve here in Dallas, Texas.
Blast it, Biggs.
Oh, come on.
The joy of living in Dallas.
Alright, that train sometimes hangs out there for a long time, so I'm gonna go to a different spot. Oh good, it's warming up. Alright, I just parked and there's a good chance that when I get out of the car, I'm gonna hear my first bird of the year. Oh, it's a cardinal. Chip note. The camera's probably not picking up many of these call notes, but there's white-throated sparrow, white-crowned sparrow, mallard. Let's see what else we can find. This trail system is part of the Trinity River Trail System. They've got a pretty extensive network here of trails going through a decent variety of habitats. Nice group of cormorants, double-crested cormorants. Chickadee. There's a group of cormorants out on the river. Way out there on the other side we have a group of green-winged teal. Some northern shovelers there. Carolina wren, American pipit, red-bellied woodpecker, a white-crowned sparrow, Harris's sparrow, bufflehead, tufted titmouse is singing. Peter, 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 Peter. That means Happy New Year.